Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some countryside charm home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Countryside charm home decorating is a warm, welcoming decorating style inspired by rural homes, cottages and farmhouses. It focuses on comfort, natural materials, vintage touches, and a relaxed, lived-in feel rather than a perfectly polished look. Countryside charm home decorating tips. Embrace imperfection. Countryside homes feel authentic, not overly polished. A ordinary table, vintage cabinet, or slightly worn rug can add character and warmth. Decorate with natural elements. Bring nature indoors with fresh flowers, dried lavender or wheat bundles, wooden bowls, wicker baskets, house plants. Layer cozy textiles. Mix different textures to create a welcoming atmosphere. Linen curtains, crochet cushions, knit drawers, quilts, cotton table runners. Create a welcoming entryway. Place a wooden bench near the entrance. Add an oven basket for shoes or blankets. Hang a vintage mirror or rustic coat hooks. Use fresh flowers often. Nothing captures countryside charm better than simple flower arrangements in mason jars, vintage pitchers, ceramic rocks, glass bottles. Add character with wall decor. Choose pieces that tell a story. Botanical prints, landscape paintings, vintage signs. Style your dining table simply. Use a linen tablecloth or runner. Add candles and seasonal greenery. Display a bowl of fresh fruit as a centerpiece. Incorporate handmade items. Handcrafted pieces add warmth and authenticity. Crochet cushion covers, coins, knitted drawers, handmade pottery. Create cozy reading corners. Place a comfortable chair near a window and add a soft throw blanket. A small side table, a basket of books, a warm lamp. Decorate with baskets everywhere. Baskets are both beautiful and practical for storing blankets, magazines, toys, firewood, kitchen items. Mix floral and plaid patterns. Classic countryside style often combines small floral prints, gingham checks, plaid fabrics, subtle stripes. Use antique-looking furniture. Look for pieces with turned legs, distressed finishes, natural wood tones, traditional craftsmanship. These details instantly add countryside character. Decorate with collections. Display small collections together, such as vintage tea cups, old books, ceramic pitchers, wooden rolling pins, antique bottles. Grouping similar items creates a charming focal point. Add a touch of the garden indoors. Bring the outer beauty inside with potted herbs in the kitchen. Fresh cut roses, lavender bundles, botanical artwork. Create a cozy coffee or tea station. Dedicate a small area to favorite mugs, tea tins, coffee supplies, a wooden tray, fresh flowers. This makes everyday routines feel special. Style open shelves naturally. Avoid making shelves look too perfect. Mix dishes, books, plants, baskets, vintage accessories. The arrangement should feel collected over time. Choose furniture for comfort first. Countryside homes prioritize comfort. Deep sofas, cushioned dining chairs, upholstered armchairs, soft bedding. A room should invite people to sit down and relax. Add warm wood tones throughout the home. Repeat wood elements in different rooms. Tables, shelves, trays, chairs. This creates visual continuity and warmth. Decorate mantles and consoles seasonally. Change decorations throughout the year. Spring flowers, summer greenery, autumn leaves and pumpkins, winter pine branches and candles. Use simple window treatments. Choose linen curtains, cotton panels, light floral fabrics. Allow natural light to fill the room whenever possible. Incorporate time-worn metals. Add touches of aged brass, antique bronze, black iron, galvanized metal. These finishes complement rustic countryside style beautifully. Create charming breakfast nook. Use a small wooden table and comfortable chairs. Add a floral cushion or bench set. Place fresh flowers on the table for a cheerful touch. Decorate with books. Books add warmth and personality. Stick vintage books on coffee tables. Display cookbooks in the kitchen. Create small reading corners throughout the home. Mix different wood finishes. Countryside homes rarely use matching furniture sets. Mix light oak, pine, walnut, reclaimed wood. Use decorative trays. Organize and style surfaces with wooden trays, wicker trays, vintage metal trays. Group candles, flowers, and small accessories together. Include rustic storage spaces. Choose attractive storage such as wooden crates, oven baskets, vintage cabinets, open shelving. Practical items can also be beautiful. Bring nature into every room. Even one natural element can make a difference. A small plant, fresh flowers, a bowl of pine cones, branches in a vase. Use layered rugs. Place a smaller pattern rug over a larger natural fiber rug to add texture and coziness. Keep the atmosphere relaxed. Countryside charm is about comfort, not perfection. Leave room for everyday living. Avoid overcrowding surfaces. Let spaces feel welcoming and lived in. Display wooden cutting boards. Lean wooden cutting boards against your kitchen backsplash or place them on open shelves. They add warmth and rustic character. Use vintage-inspired lighting. Choose fixtures such as lantern pendants, iron candeliers, farmhouse sconces, table lamps with fabric shades. Incorporate soft floral prints. Floral patterns work beautifully in countryside interiors when used in moderation on curtains, bedding, cushions, upholstered chairs. Keep countertops functional and beautiful. Instead of cluttering countertops, display only a few useful items. Wooden trays, ceramic canisters, fresh herbs, fruit bowls. Add texture to walls. Create visual interest with bedboard panels, shiplap accents, wooden wall shelves, framed botanical prints. Use large statement baskets. Oversized baskets are perfect for storing blankets, pillows, firewood, laundry. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these countryside charm decorating ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications.